One of the biggest things that really causes us to be successful with our customers is the amount of trust that we built. And trust doesn't just start with the customer, it starts with our team members. I believe that if we build a foundation of trust between me and the technicians and me, our technicians to the service advisors, and back and forth through all levels, that is really how we empower all of our team members to be able to go in and instill that same level of trust with our customers. I value my team so much, and I always ask their input on things. They all know if we're doing something and it doesn't seem right, come to us with the ideas. We'll try it. Let us know, do you have a new idea to do this? I have learned so much from a guy that I hired to sweep a floor before, because just a fresh set of eyes coming in can completely see the world in a different way than we can. In 2017, I hired a coaching company to help. That is when I really started taking off, because I started taking advice, from people that were in the industry that knew a lot more than I did. I used to, back in the 90s, I was in the restaurant business, and, I ran restaurants. I, managed restaurants, general manager of different, places. I thought I knew what I was doing running a business, but when it came to the auto business, even though I could still read a P&L from a restaurant, reading a P&L from a auto shop is completely different. We measure a lot of stuff here. We've got, sales trackers that we use on a regular basis, and these sales trackers allow us to monitor and watch what each individual technician is doing. We can monitor their metrics. We can give advice on certain things in a moment's notice, because we measure this daily instead of just looking at P&L a month and a half later. Whenever we do this, it allows us to coach our team and make improvements instantly and on the fly, and we know when someone's having a bad day. If I look at their metrics and their metrics are dropping down, randomly, I know I need to go sit there and have a conversation with that person and see what's going on. Is their wife sick? Are they sick? Are they not feeling good? Did something happen in their life that caused them, that's causing them to be down? Because I can see it instantly. I know it's out of the norm and something is affecting that. So what is causing it? We use all the technician reports. I don't know if you noticed, but we've got a board posted up in the front that has some of the metrics. We pull those directly out of Tekmetric. Where's our ARO for the week? Where is our, sale? How many sales do we have to hit before we hit our goal for the end of the month? Where our tech labor hours are on a daily basis last week. And what ends up happening is our technicians look at that board every time they walk in that door, and they're like, oh, so-and-so's beating me. I can't let that happen. Let me knock out a few more hours. So, using all the information out of Tekmetric is great, because it motivates the whole team. As long as you use it correctly. You can have the program and not show anybody, or you can have the program utilize its features and motivate everybody.